Hey y'all, it's Cousin Rosie, and in this video, I am back with yet another macaroni and cheese video. By request, I'm going to show you how to make my pepper jack macaroni and cheese, all right? So the first thing we're going to do is shred some cheese, and y'all know I'm going to tell you. Shred your cheese, okay? Freshly shredded cheese. That was a tongue twister, but fresh shredded cheese is better than the bag stuff because the bag stuff has all the fillers and all that other stuff, and it just does not melt the same, okay? So shred that cheese, and that was pepper jack. Over here, I'm going to boil some water because you need your pasta, and of course, we're using elbow macaroni, okay? Just follow the direction on the back of your box, and then, of course, you're going to drain and all that other good stuff. Now, set the boring part to the side, okay? Let's get into this sauce, baby. So in here, I have my little pot, or it's a big old pot actually. We're going to add in some butter. I'm using salted. I'm going to melt it until like so. When it's nice and melted, I'm going to add in some all-purpose flour, and then I'm going to combine the two. So we made a roux. Bars. Okay, now I'm going to add in my half and half. It's half cream, half milk. Okay. And now you're going to pour it in just like so. You're going to mix it along with that roux, that butter and the flour. And you want to make sure it's nice and lump-free. And once it is, we're going to start adding in some cheddar cheese. Now, I love sharp cheddar, y'all. I know it's pepper jack, macaroni and cheese, but I had to sneak some I had to sneak some cheddar up in there. If you want it 100% pepper jack, you can do that, okay? So, no cheddar cheese if you don't want it. Just use more pepper jack. If you want the exact measurements, go to my blog, iHeartRecipes.com. They will be there. You can print this recipe for free. I'm going to add in my Rosemary seasonings. Y'all know I am the owner, creator of Rosemary seasonings. If you didn't know, you better ask somebody. Now sprinkle in that garlic pepper. I had just a little bit. And now I'm going to add in my seasoning salt. We have the best seasoning salt, y'all, okay? Go ahead and get you a jar. You can get you some from rosemaryseasonings.com. Mix everything until it's well incorporated, just like so. And now we are going to build the mac and cheese. Okay, so I did drain the pasta, as you can see. Now we're going to add our cheese sauce all over the pasta. And then we're going to just mix everything, okay? So mix it until it's well combined. And then once you do that, you're going to actually just go ahead and sprinkle on some cheese, okay? So again, if you want the exact measurements, iHeartRecipes.com. If you want my latest cookbook, go to iHeartRecipes.net. I have it available in digital and in hard copies, okay? So I'm going to sprinkle our shredded pepper jack that we shredded at the beginning of the video, or that I showed you me at the end of me shredding it. And now we're going to add the noodles on top. We're going to follow up with some more of our homemade cheese sauce. And wasn't that cheese sauce really easy to make? Y'all know it was, okay? Right? It wasn't hard at all. Now, again, I'm going to say this again because everybody always asks. If you want the exact measurements, what do? You go to iHeartRecipes.com, boo. So now you're going to go ahead, mix it. We're just repeating the steps that we did earlier. So we add the noodles, we added the sauce. We're going to add the cheese, and now we're just going to mix it until everything is well combined. And look at that. It's all stringy-like and gooey, and it looks dumb, but it's not. We got to put this baby in the oven, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this uncovered. I put it in the oven on 375, and I let it bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. And baby, look at this. Look at it. It's just creamy, cheesy macaroni and cheese that we made from scratch. Now, don't forget, iHeartRecipes.com. You can print out the exact measurements for free, and I will see you soon.